Have you ever heard that ants can survive in a microwave? It sounds like an urban legend, but sometimes it's actually true. No, they don't have superpowers or some kind of special immunity. The secret lies in physics, and it's pretty fascinating. Microwaves work by zapping water molecules with energy, causing them to vibrate and generate heat. But an ant is incredibly tiny and doesn't hold much water. This means it loses heat almost as fast as the microwave can pump it in. But there's more to it. Inside your microwave, the energy isn't evenly spread. It forms a pattern of invisible standing waves, creating hot spots and cold spots, or nodes. If a lucky ant happens to wander into one of these cool, quiet nodes, it's essentially in a safe zone, where the microwave energy is near zero. So, it's not about being invincible. It's a combination of luck, scale, and timing. Just a tiny creature, unknowingly finding a safe path through the chaos. If you found that interesting, hit that subscribe button for more cool science facts. Thanks for watching.